can't I control my food? Why do I go in the kitchen to find something to eat 2 hours after lunch, 2 hours after dinner when I'm not even hungry? Why can't I say no to food? Why do I keep putting the weight on after I lose it? Women who ask me these questions think that it's because they are addicted to food, carbs or sugar in particular, that they don't have the willpower or coping skills to deal with negative emotions. Or it's because of the past psychological trauma, or because of hormones, or because they're stressed, or because they don't have the right meal plan, or because they don't have the right nutrition or enough motivation. And it's really important to know why you can't control food. I have clients who have spent decades fixing all the wrong reasons, like going to therapy, hiring a nutritionist, going to treatment centers, trying to control food, and still being unable to say no to food. So the reason why you can't control food is because of your restricting and overeating habit loop. This is exactly why you are out of control with food. Habits are automatic. You are probably going through some restriction and then you overeat. Overeating is teaching your brain to restrict, and then restricting activates the overeating. It becomes a compulsion. When you overeat, you have the urge to restrict, saying to yourself, I need to go on a diet, or tomorrow I'm fasting for 16 hours. And then when you restrict, when you are on a diet or while you are fasting, you have the urge to overeat and you can't resist food. This is your cycle, and it goes round and round and round so fast you don't even notice it. This cycle is exhausting and consumes all of your willpower and all of your thoughts. After this, you basically don't have the energy for anything else. Some women try to stay in the restricting part of the cycle by staying on a diet, but overeating eventually starts anyway. Some women give up and stop the restricting part. They just overeat and they end up in a horrible health crisis, gaining 50 pounds in 2 months. You absolutely have to break this cycle. It's a 1-minute technique, and you can have permanent freedom from this restricting and overeating. Thousands of women all over the world use this technique to regain freedom from food. There are 4 elements to this technique. It's much longer to explain than to use it. So I created a 2-hour Kill Stress Eating and Snacking workshop where I teach this 1-minute technique to end the overeating cycle anytime, anywhere, so that you can lose weight without gaining it back or having to be on a strict diet all your life. When you sign up for this workshop, you will be able to implement this 1-minute technique live. Get the recordings of the workshop, the workbook, the complete and emotional eating framework, the only 3 habits you need to install to lose weight, my half and half clean eating method, Q&A with me, and 2 bonuses. Bonus number 1, 15 main course recipes you can make in 15 minutes or less. And bonus number 2, energy boosting breakfast for busy mornings. You can get a $27 promotional price for this complete $600 value. Imagine no desire to binge tonight. Lots of energy for tomorrow meeting. Stop wasting money on too much food. Become a great example for people around you. Click on the link to sign for the workshop and I'll see you there.